How to check e-file status on H&R Block. Let's get started. Start by logging into your H&R Block Online account or opening the H&R Block app using your username and the password. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where your tax return is saved. Look for the filing status or return status section, which will display whether your return has been submitted, accepted, rejected, or is still pending. If you have filed both federal and state returns, ensure you check the status for each as they may be processed separately. Additionally, keep an eye on your email inbox as H&R Block sends email notifications to update you on the status of your return, including whether it has been accepted, rejected, or returns further action. Once your federal return is accepted, you can use the IRS Where is My Refund tool by visiting irs.gov refunds and entering your social security number, filing status, and exact refund amount to track your refund status. If you have filed a state return, visit your state tax agency's website to use your refund tracking tool. If your return is rejected, H&R Block will provide a rejection notice explaining the issue, along with instructions to correct the errors and resubmit your return. Remember to allow 24 to 48 hours for e-file returns to process, though it may take longer during peak tax season. Keep your H&R Block account credentials handy for easy access, and if you encounter any issues or have questions, reach out to H&R Block's customer support for assistance. Following these steps will help you track your e-file status and monitor your refund process efficiently. If this guide helped you, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.